we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic Boom Up. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. It's going to show for you here apps, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and there you're looking for Sonic Boom Up, or just click here on search. Then here add Sonic Boom Up, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.